Microsoft just dropped something wild, it's called Cowork, and it might change how you work forever. We're not talking about another chatbot, we're not talking about a small feature update. This thing actually does your work like the whole job, start to finish. And yes, we're going to see if it beats Claude's version today, so stick around because this one is worth your full attention. Let's go. Okay, so here's the deal. Right now, most AI tools work like this. You open it, you type something, it gives you text, and then you go do the actual work. You take that text, go into another app, paste it in, format it, adjust it, send it, and move on to the next thing. That's still you doing the job. The AI just helped a little bit. It saved you maybe 10 minutes. Big deal. But Copilot Cowork, totally different. You give it a goal, a real goal, not a prompt, an actual objective, and it plans it, builds it, and executes it across your actual work apps. Word, Excel, Teams, Outlook, all of it. You don't switch apps, you don't copy and paste, you don't babysit the process. It's not helping you work, it's working with you. That's the shift, and that's what makes this genuinely exciting. Let me show you exactly why this matters with a real example. Say you want to grow the AI Profit Boardroom, our AI automation community. You want to bring in more members, onboard them well, keep them engaged, and build a reputation as the go-to place for AI business automation. Old way, you'd open ChatGPT, ask it to write a welcome email, copy it, paste it into Outlook, done. Then go back, ask for a content plan, copy it, paste it into a doc, format it, done. Then again for the onboarding guide, then again for the landing page copy, then again for the follow-up email sequence. Every single step is you going back and forth, copying things manually, switching between apps, and stitching it all together yourself. That's not saving time, that's just outsourcing the typing. The real work, moving stuff around, making it all connect, keeping it consistent, making sure nothing falls through the cracks. That's still entirely on you. And that's the gap that AI has never actually filled properly until now. Hey, quick pause before we go further. If you want to use AI tools like Copilot Cowork to actually grow your business or community, you need to be inside the AI Profit Boardroom. That's where we go deep on exactly how to use tools like this to automate your content creation, your member onboarding, your outreach campaigns, your reporting, all of it. It's built specifically for people who want AI to run real parts of their business, not just generate a bit of text here and there. We're talking full systems, full workflows, and a community of people actually doing this stuff at a high level. Link is in the description. Go check it out, then come back because this video is about to get even better. Okay, here's where it gets really good. With Copilot Cowork, you don't prompt step by step. You don't handhold the AI through each tiny task. You just give it the full assignment like you'd give it to a real team member, like this. Create a complete onboarding system for new AI Profit Boardroom members. And it goes. It breaks down the steps itself, figures out what data and files it needs, pulls from your existing documents, builds every deliverable, and connects everything across your Microsoft 365 apps. You come back and the whole thing is sitting there ready for you. Welcome email, onboarding checklist, resource guide, meeting invite, follow-up sequence, all of it. That's not an assistant, that's a coworker. And that difference is massive because it means you're no longer the person executing. You're the person directing, you're the manager, and the AI is the one doing the legwork. Let me give you some real practical examples so you can see exactly what this looks like in action. First example, monthly growth reporting. Instead of spending 3 hours pulling data, building slides, writing summaries, and emailing the team, you just say, build a monthly performance report for the AI Profit Boardroom, covering member growth, engagement rates, and top performing content. Cowork pulls the data from your spreadsheets, analyses the trends, identifies what's working and what isn't, builds the slide deck, writes the executive summary, and drafts the internal team email. 3 hours of work done in minutes, and you didn't touch a single spreadsheet. Second example, new member onboarding. You say, I create a complete 7-day onboarding journey for new AI Profit Boardroom members, including welcome emails, resource drops, and check-in messages. You get the full sequence back. Day 1, welcome email explaining what the community is about. Day 3, resource email with the top AI automation guides. Day 7, check-in, asking how they're getting on and pointing them to the live sessions, all written, all ready. All you have to do is plug them into your email platform and press go. Third example, competitive positioning. You say, research the top competing AI automation communities, analyze their strengths and weaknesses, and build a positioning strategy for the AI Profit Boardroom. It goes off, researches the landscape, builds a comparison, identifies gaps and opportunities, puts together a strategy deck, and writes up the recommendations. What would normally take a full day of research and analysis is done before your next coffee break. So here's the question everyone is asking: does Copilot Cowork actually beat Claude's version? Here's the honest, straight answer. Both are moving in exactly the same direction. AI that doesn't just assist with tasks, but actually executes whole workflows from start to finish. That's the shared vision. But the way they get there is different. Claude's approach is incredibly powerful, especially for deep thinking, nuanced writing, and complex reasoning tasks. It's brilliant when you need the AI to really understand context and produce sophisticated output. Copilot's big advantage is that it lives natively inside Microsoft 365, which is where the majority of businesses already work every single day. If your team is already living in Teams, Outlook, Word, and Excel, Copilot Cowork slots straight in with zero friction. There's no switching apps, no copying between platforms, no integration headaches. It just works inside the tools you're already using. Claude Cowork is your go-to for standalone deep work and high-quality output. Copilot Cowork is built for end-to-end business workflows inside the Microsoft ecosystem. They're genuinely different tools for different moments, and the smart move is knowing when to reach for each one rather than treating this as a winner-takes-all competition. Here's the bigger picture, and this is the part most people miss. 3 massive shifts are happening in how work gets done, and if you're not paying attention, you're going to wake up one day and find your competitors have lapped you. The first shift is AI moving from helper to worker. It used to answer your questions, now it completes your projects. That's a completely different category of tool. The second shift is your role changing from doing tasks to setting goals. You stop being the person executing and start being the person directing. You handle the strategy, the vision, the relationships, the decisions that require human judgment. AI handles the repetitive execution work that was eating your time before. The third shift is your work platform becoming an AI operating system. It's no longer just a place to open documents and send emails. It's a workspace where human workers and AI agents collaborate side by side on real projects. The platform becomes the engine that connects everything together, and AI is the power running through it. Here's what it all comes down to. The businesses and professionals who figure this out first are going to move faster, produce more, and waste far less time than everyone else. The ones who don't will still be copying and pasting, switching between apps, and manually stitching workflows together while their competitors are running fully automated systems that work around the clock. And this isn't about replacing people. That's the wrong way to look at it. It's about freeing people to do the work that actually matters, the work that requires strategy, creativity, relationships, and leadership, right? The stuff AI genuinely cannot do. Think about what you could build, create, or grow if you got back 10, 20, 30 hours a week from execution work. That's what this technology is offering. The era of AI coworkers is just getting started, and it is going to reshape how work gets done across every single industry over the next few years. All right, that's everything you need to know about Copilot Cowork and how it stacks up against Claude's version. If you want to go even deeper on how to use tools like this to automate and grow your business, come join the AI Profit Boardroom. We cover all the best AI tools, real workflows, and practical strategies to save you time and help you scale faster. No fluff, just what actually works. Link is in the description below. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases just like this one, join the AI Success Lab, our free AI community. Links are in the comments and the description. You'll get all the video notes from this video in there, plus access to our community of 40,000 members who are already crushing it with AI automation every single day. See you in the next one.